Welcome to 24 Gawler Way, a beautifully kept home here in Calista. Hi, I'm Kyle.spyrides from Monarch Real Estate. I can't wait to take you through this home that is packed with features that I think you're going to love. Not least to mention a 6-car garage and a big driveway. Let's take a look inside. Well, ladies and gentlemen, sometimes the grass really is greener on the other side of the fence. Look at this. A gardener, a true gardener, you can see, has taken care of these lovely lawns in the gardens, and pot plants continue on inside in the lounge room. Check out the spacious lounge room. Beautiful, and beautiful big windows to allow that outside light to be invited back into the interior. And look at these downlights. I love this kitchen. You can actually change the amount of power on these downlights, which is really beautiful. I love the little wooden elements throughout the house. Look at this door that takes you through to the bedrooms. Bedroom number 1. Beautiful, lovely dream catchers, and just think of all the dreams that are going to be created in this house. And bedroom number 2, what I like about this one is we look over the pool, so we get a bit of nature and a bit of calm, steady ripples. And bedroom number 3, look, this is to your creation. Think about what you'd like to do with this blank canvas, and the bathroom. That warm light, that coziness, and that nature feel right through the property. Into the laundry, and behind that door is actually the big 6-car garage, but we'll be showing you that in a little bit. Take you around to the Bali vibey section, as I like to call it. Totally a name I just made up then, no worries. We'll walk right through around the pool. Check this out. And pot plant theme continues. Nice powered shed. Decent size, you can see. Good garden tools, and this lawn size is quite big, so you don't have to have little doggies, you're going to have big doggies. And talking about big, look at the size of this garage. 6-car garage. In space for you, have a gym, home gym, or a men's den, women's den, however you like it. You could do sprints up and down there, whatever you're up to, but there's plenty of space. Or you could be a car enthusiast, so there you go. And back out to the garden. Ladies and gentlemen, that is 24 Gawler Way, Calista. If you'd like to come through and have a look, or got any questions, please let me know and get in touch.